It's Mansi. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with my first ever cooking vlog basically, and today we're gonna be making an Oreo cake. So let's start without wasting any more time because today's my mom's birthday and that's why we're making this. Whoop. So I'm in my kitchen and this is the Oreo, strawberry Oreo, and we have it, the cream of the Oreos in this bowl with a little bit of coffee batter, and the outer biscuit thing is in the grinder. We're going to grind it. Let's start. To make this cream very creamy. My job is to make the cream very creamy and very liquidy. This is not liquidy. So इसमें क्या क्या डाला है?
2 pack of Oreo and half cup sugar, powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon baking powder.
That's it?
Yeah.
And what is this?
ये हमारा आइसिंग है. So अभी हम लोग ने ये थोड़ा सा हाफ कप मिल्क डाल दिया है और अभी इसे बहुत देर तक मिलाना है जब तक कि ये पूरा क्रीमी ना हो जाए.
Okay, you are such a nice chef. Thanks for your guidance. Thanks for your guidance.
Welcome.
Okay.
So ये अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा अभी ऐसा टेक्सचर आ रहा है. अभी और मिलाना है इसे.
और यहाँ पे हमारा क्रीम भी हो रहा है. ग्रीस हो गया क्या ये?
हाँ
हो गया. ओके. Batter was a little too thick, so we added a little bit of milk, and that is good enough, I think. And now we're going to put it in this, I don't know, cake tin. Yeah, cake tin.
हम लोग ने इधर डाल दिया है. सो अब हम इसे टैप कर देंगे जिससे एयर बबल्स खत्म हो जाए. तो ये हमारा प्रीहीट हो चुका है. सो अब हम इस केक बैटर को डाल देंगे उसके अंदर.
डालो.
तो हम लोग ने डाल दिया है. सो अब हम लोग इसे आधे घंटे तक रखेंगे. और गाइस इसका सीटी और इसका रबड़ निकाल के ही डालना है.
रबड़ मतलब ये वाला है. ये ओके. This black tea pink बहुत अच्छा लगने वाला है. So guys, that's how the cake looks without the icing, but after we put the icing it looks really beautiful, and also we decided to put a candle on it. And yeah, that's my cooking vlog. So guys, I'm going to end this video right here, and I really hope you enjoyed my first ever cooking vlog. I had no experience, but if you enjoyed, like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on the notifications and subscribe to my brother's channel. The link is in the description box.